homie, and that's how I will call them. First, we start off by cracking jokes. The hype alone is a thrill. And then it is about who has the current gist, and the gossip will fly here and there while we laugh our lungs out. Then slowly the concerns start coming. One after the other we will unpack them. You don't have to worry, because the conversation is safe in a faithful ear, and that is a treasure. That is where we dream dreams and plant them into reality. A place where you deposit your anxieties and offload that of others. A place where each person is a home, a real homie, a safety net in this tightrope walk called life.